how to generate and download a full backup of your Plesk account. Log in to your Plesk account. In the Websites and Domains interface, click this left arrow icon. Then click Backup and Restore. If you have generated a backup earlier, it shows here. Now click the Backup option. We wish to make a full backup. Let's click this Options button, Full. There are options available for exclusion of particular files from the backup. We will leave them unchecked. If you want a notification email on completion of the backup task, click to check this box for the notification email. You will receive a notification email at the given email address. You may change the email address if you want to use another email account. Now click OK. It may take some time to generate the backup depending on the size of the files. The backup is generated. To download the generated backup on your local machine, click the Download arrow icon. It is recommended that we use password protection for the generated backup. If anyone opens the backup file, it will ask for the password. If you don't want to use password protection, click to uncheck this box. Otherwise, enter the password in the password input boxes and then click OK. The backup has been downloaded to our local machine. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.